Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today we're going to talk about Tesla Israel. I'll be right back. Thank you for coming back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about Tesla going to Israel. And just before I do that, I want to really take this opportunity to thank all of my awesome subscribers and viewers. People who make comments. My channel already surpassed 600 views, and I am going to focus more and more on pure electric cars going forward. And a few weeks ago, some people from Israel reached out to me. People I don't know, that people who just saw my videos and all that, and asked me to do a weekly video in Hebrew. There is a big Tesla movement in Israel. They call themselves Tesla Israel. They have a Facebook, they have a WhatsApp group and all that. And I happy to do that and spread the word all throughout the world in any native tongue that I can speak, which is two. Okay, so I'm happy to do that. Actually, I have people from Egypt who reached out, and I know that there are Teslas in Jordan and in the Gulf states and all that, and there are from what I read, I do not know, from what I read, there are 2 Teslas in Israel, an X and an S. My Israeli friends, please correct me if I'm wrong, that were ordered directly by individuals. And there's one more Tesla, I believe, that is doing testing in Israel. There is a tremendous movement of Israelis that I'm exposed to. I'm now following their group, who are extraordinarily trying the hardest they can to get Tesla to Israel, and not only, also plug-in hybrids and other electric cars. Israel will be a perfect country for electric cars, a Tesla or anything else. And if we focus on Tesla, it's like, I would say 10 superchargers will cover the entire country, from north to south and from east to west. East to west is very small. North to south, we're talking about 500, 600 kilometers, 320, 350 miles. It will be a one charge Tesla, one charge, and you go from one side to the other. And the obstacle, from what I'm understanding, from what I'm reading, is Tesla, as you know, in the United States, and we have the same issue in many states in the United States, Tesla does not use dealers. Tesla likes to sell directly. So just like in Michigan, in other states in the United States, who ban Tesla from selling in their states, which is so stupid. In Israel, I don't know if the laws are similar, but you got to have some kind of an intermediary or dealer, or some kind of an agency, that sells cars, any cars. So what we need to do is to comment, to post, to share videos, and to help Teslas and all other electric cars to reach every corner in the world. My mission is change the world one electric car at a time, not change the United States one electric car at a time. Of course, that as well, 100%. But so I'm asking my Israeli friends to comment below in English, not in Hebrew. Most of my viewers do not speak Hebrew. If you can comment in English, if you can't, you can comment in Hebrew, and I will respond in English. For what is the situation, what are the prospects for the future for Tesla Israel, and on and on and on. All right, so just indulge me. I will post a video a week in Hebrew. I continue to post a video in English every single day. I can guarantee you. So my next video this week, later on, will be my 2,300 miles trip to Florida, which is about almost 3,500 kilometers. We'll do that and more and more. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.